So I thought for fun, I would just give you a view of me preparing to make a TikTok and deciding what I'm going to talk about and how I'm going to say it and staring off into space, wondering. I think sometimes people have the impression that we all get on here and know exactly what we're doing. And if we're all being honest, truthfully, not just here, but in the rest of the world as well, none of us know what the F we're doing. We are flying by the seat of our pants most of the time. You're like, but what about doctors and surgeons? And they are too. I know that's terrifying. Just, try to forget that part. So in the meantime, how have these flares been treating you? I have not been sleeping great. Definitely seem to be pretty sensitive to those and to the earthquakes. Not in a discomfort way. It's more like, okay, well, something's coming. I don't know what. I feel like I drank 12 cups of coffee, but I didn't. And then the flare will go off, and then I usually kind of want to nap. So anyway, that's an interesting phenomenon. And I was thinking about it today in context of how to outward appearances and to the rest of the world, and probably to a bunch of heliophysicists who think I'm the bane of their existence. But we accept that people with rheumatological conditions can predict the weather with their joints and with their body, right? They feel it days before it gets here. It could be sunny and gorgeous outside, and my knee is like, beach, it's about to rain like a mofo, right? And so I am, walking around saying ow while everyone is skipping around town like it's spring. And then a couple days later, that comes, the pressure's released, and that happens. So that's weather, and all the sun and its activity is weather. So it's really not beyond the realm of possibility that humans can be aware of weather beyond just what's in our atmosphere and what's on our planet and near us, that we can feel farther than that we can sense farther than that. And because solar weather and space weather and Schumann resonance is not part of the regular public discourse and education about weather, why would anybody think that might be why they have a headache, or why they're up all night, or why they suddenly feel like puking, as in the case of geomagnetic storms? So just a little food for thought about all of that, and how I'm seeing more and more why there's nothing crazy about any of this.